Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn French with Anubhav. If you have already subscribed to my channel, press the bell icon to get the latest updates. In today's class, we are taking up a vocabulary topic, which is means of transport. So before starting this topic, I would like to give today's shout out. So today's shout out goes to Burma Gaming. So I am writing the name here. Thanks for supporting my channel, and I hope you will be doing the same in future as well. So let's begin with today's topic, means of transport in French. I have written numerous means of transport over here. We will be discussing the pronunciation, spelling and the meaning, of course. And also I have mentioned the indefinite article in front of every means of transport, like la, to indicate which one is masculine, which one is a feminine. So if you haven't watched my video based on definite and indefinite articles, do watch it. The link is present in the description box below. So talking about first one, it is l'avion. A-V-I-O-N, l'avion. Why L apostrophe? Because avion begins with a vowel. So l'avion means plane or airplane, both are fine. Talking about the second one, it is l'autobus. A-U-T-O-B-U-S, autobus. Autobus or le car. Like it's not to be pronounced in the English manner, like you need not to pronounce R here. R will be somewhat sounding like H, like car. Simply car, not car. So l'autobus or le car both means a bus. Okay, moving towards number 3. Number 3 we have bateau. Le bateau. Le indicates that bateau is masculine. So bateau. B-A-T-E-A-U. Bateau. Bateau is what? Boat. Bateau is boat. Talking about number 4. Number 4 we have le. Okay, so the spelling is same. Pronunciation is different, but meaning is also same. Taxi, it's to be pronounced like taxi, and what taxi is, it is nothing but taxi. Spelling same, pronunciation different, meaning also same. Similarly, number 5, the same case, we have le train. Spelling is same, T-R-A-I-N, train. But the pronunciation, see, it's so different, train. And what's its meaning? Train. Train, train. Talking about number 6, we have le metro. Pronunciation is slightly tricky over here. It's not like metro, it's metro. Our sound will not be much significant in this word. So le metro. What it is? Subway. Metro is subway. Talking about number 9, we have la voiture. This word we have come across many a times in my videos. So la voiture. V-O-I-T-U-R-E, la voiture. Voiture is what? Car. Talking about number 8, we have le vélo. Le vélo. Like this accent, aigu gives the pronunciation like A. So le vélo. And what's a vélo? It's a bicycle. La here indicates that car is feminine, and le in front of vélo indicates that bicycle or vélo is masculine. Talking about ninth one, it is moto. Le moto. Again, le indicates that it's masculine. La moto is what? Motorcycle. Moving towards 10th one, we have le cano. Le cano. The last T is not to be pronounced, and hence the pronunciation will be like cano. So cano means a canoe, which is a small boat. Right. Talking about number 11. Okay, I think I should discuss the spelling first. It's C-A-N-O-T, cano. T is not to be pronounced, but T is a part of the spelling and you need to write it when you are writing. 11th is helicopter. Pronunciation and the spelling is very much helpful to give a clue that what is it. It's a helicopter. Talking about the spelling, it is L apostrophe, the article, H, E with an accent aigu, then L, I, C, O, P, T, E with accent grave, R, E. So, helicopter is not like helicopter because H is not really pronounced here. It's simply helicopter and it's what? Helicopter. Talking about 12th one, it is le camion. Talking about the spelling, it is, I again is not much significant over here. Yeah, now it's fine. Le camion, C-A-M-I-O-N, camion. Again, N not to be pronounced. So le camion, what is it? It's a truck. And if you do slight alteration in this word, like add E-double-T-E in front of cameo, then N will be of course pronounced because there's a vowel after N. So it would be camionette. It will become feminine, la camionette. C-A-M-I-O-N-E-double-T-E, camionette. And camionette means van. And lastly, number 13, we have R-P-A. Again, D not to be pronounced. R-P-A. R-P-A. R translates to on, P-A translates to foot. So on foot, like you are walking, on foot, that, off foot, RPA. Let's quickly recap all the 13 means of transport which we discussed today. L'avion means plane. L'autobus or la car means bus. Le bateau means boat. Le taxi is taxi. Le train is train. Le métro is subway. La voiture is car. Le vélo, sorry, it wasn't required over here. Le vélo, bicycle. La moto, motorcycle. Le canot, small boat. L'hélicoptère, helicopter. Le camion, truck. La camionnette, van. À pied, on foot. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel Learn French with Anubhav. And if you have any doubt or suggestion, you may write that in the comment section below. You may also like my Facebook page by the same name, Learn French with Anubhav. Thanks for watching. Au revoir. N'oubliez pas que la langue française est l'amour.